Here's a question that confuses a lot of students. 5 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of x minus 4. Different bases, variable in the exponent. You can't combine them, you can't guess. So what do we do? Let me show you the clean way. Notice the bases are different, 5 and 2. Since we can't rewrite them with the same base, we use logarithms. Take the log on both sides. So you have log 5 to the power of x equals log 2 to the power of x minus 4. Now apply the power rule. And what you're going to get x log 5 equals x minus 4 inside brackets log 2. Distribute, and so you have x log 5 equals x log 2 minus 4 log 2. Now bring x terms to one side. So you'll have x log 5 minus x log 2 equals negative 4 log 2. And after that, we can take out x as the greatest common factor, and we will get x brackets log 5 minus log 2 equals negative 4 log 2. And at this stage, we divide both sides by log 5 minus log 2, and we'll get x equals negative 4 log 2 all over log 5 minus log 2. And this is the answer in exact values. Now, if you want to change this answer into a decimal, you could just plug it into your calculator, and you will get x equals negative 3.03. When bases are different, logarithms are your best friend. Exponential equations aren't about guessing, they are about strategy. And once you understand the structure, every question becomes manageable. My name is Sami. I have 30 years of math teaching experience. I'm based in Ottawa. Online Zoom sessions are available. Thanks for watching. See you next time.